To obtain your plane ticket from Expedia, start by visiting their website or using their app. Ensure you are logged into the correct account where you made the booking. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the website or the middle of the bottom section on the app, and click on Trips. This will display all the trips associated with your account. If you have upcoming trips, they will be listed, and you can access your plane ticket by clicking on the trip details. If the trip details are not displayed, you can use your itinerary number to find your booking. Click on the Find Your Booking button. Enter your itinerary number, which can be found in your email confirmation, and click Continue. This will grant you access to your plane ticket. If you cannot find your itinerary number, you can click on Forgot Your Itinerary Number and have it sent to your email account. Then, you can paste the number into the required field and access your ticket. This process is straightforward, and following these steps will allow you to easily retrieve your plane ticket from Expedia.